Hello Srinivasa, welcome to the live stream. Hello everyone. Kiran Kumar sir, Balaji sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. Quickly in the comment section, let me know what is your view about the market. What do you think can happen next? Is your view bullish, bearish, sideways? Bearish as of now, okay. Excuse me. So time now is 7 o'clock. At this point of time, Dow Jones is kind of flat opening. S&P 500, Nasdaq, we need to still get the data. And BTC, if you see, based on liquidity, it moved up, took out some liquidity, and it is correcting. Now it is in a range where more liquidity is there at bottom, and liquidity is only near 1,23,500. So at the upper range there is liquidity, at the lower range there is liquidity. Current space where BTC is, there might be indecision amongst buyers and sellers. So 23,500, okay, 23,500 is one range where market can go up for the sake of liquidity. So that zone is somewhere here. We'll mark that and keep. If that zone, if you consider what's happened there, let's see this. Where is this pen tool? Okay. If you see this zone, it was acting as a supporting zone, right? Once the zone broke, this area basically should act as a resistance area. That is first thing. And one more thing, this area you see, this is the resistance zone which in crypto community group I had discussed in the morning. So that zone market has reached and it is showing some bearishness. So little bit bearishness is there from that level. That started somewhere around 1640. So from there, that time we have the bearishness. We will see. Now we want any if market sustains below this zone, fine, but I expect some kind of upside momentum to remove the liquidity in the market. That upside momentum, if it comes, maybe after that market can start moving towards the downside. Ethereum support and resistance for the day are these levels which I have marked. Considering this as the resistance, some people would have entered again to trap them little more momentum towards the upside. Market can do that, is the chances there. In Soul also it is somewhat similar. Trend line is there, trend line market is respecting. Here trend line market has given a breakout. My idea is to wait until the first 10 minutes. Do not want to get stuck into any kind of different situation. Now we see at what range market is between 0.5 and 618 level of Fibonacci. That's fine. And from here, if you see, little more space is there. What we can do, maybe 618 level I'll mark and keep. As per the recent, this zone seems interesting. We will see this zone, how market behaves at this zone. If it comes down here, any bullish opportunity is there, means we will see. Okay. How is Indian market for you, sir? Indian market, it was good only. It was great today. Mostly sideways, even if price moves up or down, I guess it might be slow. Slow it might be, but maybe momentum of close to 500 to 1000 points. Momentum somewhat I feel is possible. Do you see? Soul is respecting the support. This is the recent 618 level market is holding. This trend line market is holding. Little bit we will wait and then see. Indian market was great only today, sir. I think this was the first setup I attempted here. Market took the stop loss, but quickly I saw sellers pressure. I took one trade here, booked profit here, closed the trade. Again, when market corrected here, I could see little more bearish pressure. Up to this zone we were able to capture. After that, when Bank Nifty came to my support zone, I said no, not interested in bearish trade anymore as long as Bank Nifty goes below the support. From here, Bank Nifty gave a movement of 350 points. So this trade I took, and this trade, since there was indecision, idea was not to take bearish trade as long as Bank Nifty goes below the support. So this also worked out, but I did not take trade here. But I had informed people in the free group, Telegram private group, everywhere I had informed. So for me, Indian market was kind of okay. No issues. You have to tell me how was Indian market for you today. What range is sold right now? Okay. Now, how many of you was watching the live stream? You are there in the private Telegram group. I mean crypto private community group. How many people are there? So just let me know, traders, how many of you are there in the group. Connection. Yeah, the zone is there, which is acting as support. Lost 4K in options today, sir. Okay. Happens. Don't take things too personally. Just see over a period of 1 month, 2 months, 3 months how it is. Okay. Now I'm asking this because I'm planning to travel on 18th October and things like that. Now before that, one strategy I want to teach our crypto community group members so that it will be useful for you is what I believe. Plan is to share that strategy with you guys on Saturday or Sunday. So make yourself free. On 18th I'm traveling because next week I'll be traveling, means I can't this one. make the video for you guys, but this weekend I will try my best to make that video. Maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes video I will do, and I will share that with you guys, so don't miss that out, okay? Because that will be one kind of basic foundation for you guys to look at the market in a different perspective based on price action and stop loss hunting. So we'll wait for that strategy video this weekend. I'll try my best to share it with you guys. I'm in private group as well as crypto. Okay, fine. What traders? Market is continuously correcting. US market is too negative at this point of okay, US market is slightly positive only. I had not refreshed. What zones we can run? This Sunday is my Saturday. I will try. If not, Sunday I will share the strategy. That is the plan as of now. What kind of movement? Checkmate. Continuous breakdown. One upside movement is pending is what I feel. From our resistance, market is nicely falling, but here when I came live, it was here. I can't place stop loss at the upper level and take bearish trade, right? So I did not take any trade at that zone. So as of now, support levels are there, trend line support. Okay. Ethereum. Once that strategy I discussed with you guys, maybe we will have a better understanding. There might be a sync between your mindset and my mindset about what levels exactly we can look for opportunities, at what zone we can look for reversal, where we can look for continuation. That and all I will discuss, okay, in crypto community with crypto community group members. So once that is done, you watch that video and just observe the market, right? From maybe from 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. These 5 days I'll be traveling. Now once I'm back, by then you learn the strategy, the concept, everything. 1 week I'll be there here. We will see how it works in the live market and things like that. And then next week I'll not be there. After that, we will continuously focus on working on that strategy, so that in live market also, whenever setup related to that you get, we will discuss, okay? So who wants to join the crypto community group? You can open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment. Using that link, if you open account, you'll be added to the group, and you will be getting access to the course content once it is launched. How much correction? Yeah, it is something. Where it is? Safety net I will consider. Consider the safety net area. Liquid, ETH, liquid. On top there is some liquidity, at the bottom next 4,400 and all is too low for the market. It's given a breakdown, no retest, nothing. If there is possibility, does this recent 618 level, it's not respecting 4,400, right? 4,400, that level is too far. Okay, we will see. Yesterday continuously market was falling. It was difficult for us to capture any kind of movement. But today, even if it falls, I expect one kind of pullback in the market. Only then market can move towards the downside if it wants, is my understanding. If that is the case, 2 months back, you are told you will be planning no options. Yeah. In NFO strategy, kindly tell about the kind of. See, option selling strategy I wanted to do, but what happens is I have two people, okay? Those two people will regularly keep uh, analyzing strategies based on all the rules and look at the profit. It was working properly, but later what happened? It was not giving proper success rate, I can say. So if success rate is not that great, then it is better not to work on that strategy. That too, especially it was kind of naked option selling. So I didn't wanted to do that. But meanwhile, what we did, we worked on 9:30 a.m. strategy. When I worked, it gave very good success rate. Team did, they got good success rate. 786 level market is respecting right now. Buying possibility. Market has come until this base. If it comes, anyone who entered bearish trade near this breakdown, they will make profit. So to trap them, we can expect some kind of reversal in the market. We'll see that. Soul continuous fall. Continuous fall. 1 second. I'll see your soul also if it is somewhere near correction zone, reversal zone. Little bit pressure. I expect some kind of pressure in soul. I mean reversal pressure. So around, I'm thinking of getting to ready to buy. We'll see how market behaves here. If I wait also, I'll miss out on opportunity. Fine, I'll place an order here on the buy side. Market has continuously fallen, and people who thinks about entering here, they might think about booking their profit at the lower end. But I feel market has a chance of showing some reversal. So I've taken a bullish trade here. I'll place the order. Stop loss. Long trade. Stop loss, of course, I'm going to change. At the initial stage, little bit buffer I have to give. This is the setup which I have taken entry. Now we will see how market reacts. So I bought the course how to join private group. Once you purchase the course, you see one WhatsApp number on the screen, right? You send WhatsApp message to that number. With the you send it tomorrow morning. Around 8 o'clock only you send. In that you please share the purchase screenshot and tell for which phone number you need access. We will look into that and give you access. All right. Sustenance in the market. No, 5 minutes. loss this Ethereum. A little more space also. That's fine. Okay, so is the setup. Only if market moves towards the upside, I will reduce the stop loss, or else this proper close to 1:2, we will get off. I'll reduce the stop loss. What is that group? What benefits I will get if I buy? See, like, let's say, for example, I give a course, okay? I have a course called price action, stop loss hunting. Based on those concepts only, I trade. People who purchase the course, of course, they will expect some kind of support from our end also, right? So initially for one whole month, we will add them to a group, and whenever in Nifty and Bank Nifty, the setup, what is taught in the course, when it is available, all those setups, we will show them live market scenarios as to, okay, this is a concept strategy which was taught in the course. You can see here, based on the strategy, market is reacting. What is the probability of that strategy? So you will see for 30 days to train your eyes how to make use of the concept what is taught in the course. That will be beneficial for those people who join the group, who get access to private Telegram group. Can you share link to join private Telegram group? Have you guys joined our free Telegram channel? In our free Telegram channel, in first pinned comment only, you will find the link. Is a 1 month private Telegram group included, including Saturday, Sunday? Yes. From the day you purchase, you get access from that day, including weekends. 30 days you will have access. How much is the cost? That one you can just go to our private Telegram group, check the link. This one. Pull back, continuation. If it reaches that zone, stop loss I have to reduce here from here. Moment if I get, maybe. This is how the market will behave, is my expectation. We will see. Those of you who have not yet liked the live stream, please do that. Support the channel traders by liking the video. I already have Delta Exchange app. In that case, we want to keep anything related to crypto completely free. So that is why anyone opens account with Delta Exchange, we give them access, lifetime access to crypto community group. In that, I will be sharing these levels and all. This level was shared. I'm not live, you think. That time if market comes to this zone, maybe you will get an opportunity here to look for bearish trade. Even though I'm there, I'm not there. And these were the levels which I had shared for Ethereum and Solana. That level market did not reach, but BTC it had reached. Okay, there one setup was there. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Ethereum or Solana will come to support or resistance. That time you might have an opportunity. That's how you can consider. And once I teach that new strategy for you guys, right, then a little bit more understanding will be between you and I, right? You will know, okay, with what logic I'm there, I'm not there, how to look for opportunity. And if I just inform in the group, okay, this is the level, market is coming to this important zone, look for opportunity, easily you can decide. That and all will be a benefit for those you guys once you learn of the strategy from me. That and all free of cost only to group members I will be sharing. So don't worry about that. I'll try my best to give you guys within the Saturday or Sunday. Okay. Any course you're planning for future, for which market you're asking? Indian market. Indian market, see, market condition is not that great, and I'm very much confident with our price action stop loss hunting concept only. In that only we will be getting good success rate. When there is already strategy which is giving good success rate, see, everything will have ups and downs, right? In life also everyone will have ups and downs. Sometimes, let's say Trump is saying something, because of news market behaves a bit differently. We can't jump from the strategy. Today the trade what I took, okay, this setup, it is clearly taught in price action course. Okay, the zone, how market can react from here, it is explained in stop loss hunting course. So here why market reacted, all those things, people who are there in the course, they know that. And live market commentary also anyways in group only I'm sharing. So when things are working, why I have to launch one more course, give that course? Based on different kind of situation I can give. For example, 9:30 a.m. strategy is completely different from this Indian market course, right? Because in that course, you don't, in that strategy, you don't look at the charts itself based on the premium time based rule based strategy, that's completely different. So that also anyways for free only I had given in the group. Don't think too much about courses. It is just that even if I give you one course, if you don't follow it properly, after 2 months, 3 months, again you'll come back and ask for course. Only once I feel there is a genuine requirement for a course, I will launch the course. For crypto, I feel there is genuine requirement because the first strategy which I gave was indicator based strategy. That is taken care of. That one people are using, but people want strategy based on price action stop loss hunting, right? That concept strategy I'll give for crypto. Once people start using that, only if there is requirement again for strategy, I will share that in the group. Okay. Now here we have come across a situation where market has given a breakdown. It's gone for a retest. Here there is a chance that market can reverse. Okay, if it is completely bearish, or it can just be a correction before upside movement. Whatever it is left to the market. I'm not going to complicate too much things here. Okay. I'll off the screen traders 1 minute. Now those of you who thinks, okay, market is moving as per our view, that's fine. You want to reduce the risk, means you can reduce the risk. That is entirely up to you, right? You can reduce here. If you want, you can bring it to cost also, so that risk is zero, but I don't want to do that. If market is deciding to take stop loss, let it take. That is my mindset at this point of time. While trading in delta, should we use leverage or not? See, I'm using just 25x. That's very minimal. At the initial stage, 25x, 50x is more than sufficient. And also we have informed how much you can take maximum risk. Now it is moving as per the view. This target, will it achieve or not? That is left to the market. We'll see about it. Safe traders, if you want, keep trailing and going the stop loss. Make your risk zero if possible in this trade. Here, any reversal seller activated here, any reversal will commence, we might get into problem. So 80% target done. Who wants to book? Think about booking. It's up to you. This here pressure possibility is there. See, this moment what market did, right? It is to earn the stop loss of people. So this and all I'm going to teach you in the course with what logic I took this trade. Everything I'll teach you guys. Okay, target achieved. I think approximately 100, 112 something, $112 was the profit. Could you please come up with a video for naked selling in Nifty and also again this trade done, traders? We captured around 50 points. What happened to your trade? Let me know. Actually, I wanted to trail and go. I was looking at here something else. Here also I said no, one upside movement is pending. That upside, see in Ethereum, here we had marked reversal. Here little Soul also was showing some confirmation of reversal. That's why I took a trade in Ethereum. Thank you, wonderful. Okay, anyways, this setup is done. Just give me a minute, I'll be back. I did not get water. I'll just get some water for me. I'll be back, traders. Just give me a minute. Okay, how was this setup? I hope. How many of you took this trade along with me? Rally. You guys exited, is it? Additionally, exited at 50 points. Another 16 points market has given. Now weak players market has removed. Same the close, same level you exited. Okay. Okay, fine. I took. Okay, good. See, now based on what logic I took this trade, everything in that course what I'm going to launch, I'm going to share it with you. Okay, not necessary market. Now though market opened, after that directly it gave off, but in the future it might just go like this and give us the target. Okay, the probability of that working out will be 70 to 75%. 100% success strategy even I have not seen. Okay, so 70-75% success rate we will have. That kind of strategy I will teach you guys, so make use of it. Once it launches, I will let you know. That same strategy you can use in Sol, Ethereum, BTC, everything. It will work out. Okay, now upper zone. Market has space. Market has space. The resistance zone which I have marked here is 4544. For reference, we'll keep this zone. If market, see, my understanding, I'll tell you, this market where it is corrected, no, they are safe. They have seen the profit, everything they have seen. Now here market was accumulating people by forming lower high and lower low, and here people thought it will hit their stop loss. It did not hit, it corrected. After correcting, people were more confident, more people started entering, but later market is going to take out them. Who's sitting here at this zone and all, will market target or not, that directly now I cannot confirm. Based on market sentiment only we can decide. Okay, that is the current scenario. One setup is over, one more setup if we get, we will trade. Okay, then BTC again, it's come to a resistance zone. BTC is respecting our resistance area, so BTC, it has given a breakout, it has removed people. Looks like 50% chance setup, so we will give it some more time. It's near the resistance only. Anyone would have placed stop loss here, that stop loss also market is taken. As of now, BTC is below my resistance zone. You can see what is the resistance zone I have marked and kept. So it's below that. Should I enter or not? Previously when I gave this level, nobody knew, right? This is going to be a resistance. But now people know this is going to be a resistance. So again, will it fall or not? 50% chance will be there. So we need to see from this zone, will we get any setup? It's respecting small stop loss. Can we try? Trying is not a problem. Minimum 600 points. 600 points. For that, at least have to target 1:2. So that risk, can we take, not take, we have to decide. Either we have to decide, okay, here above this candle I'll place stop loss, take one small trade. If I get the moment, fine. If it fails, market moves up again at the upper end. In BTC, here upper end will be 1,23,900, 24,100. These zones, any reversal, if I get, I have to try. These two are the choices which is there for me. As of now, no bullish trade because this zone market is respecting. Okay. Trade logic, Ethereum. See, market, already people were bearish. People would have got more confidence when market gave a breakdown and this trend line breakdown, right? People would have entered. But here, this zone, if market goes directly till here, the sellers who entered here, they will make profit, right? Easy profit they will make. So if market doesn't want to give profit for people who entered bearish trade here, and if these buyers are strong, together they might push the market towards the upside to remove weak players. people who missed out bearish setup yesterday and all, today again when they see this fall, they will say, okay, market is going to fall, let me take bearish trade. To trap them only this moment. I think US market initially it would have created some kind of confusion. This trade I have not taken yet. If I get the setup confirmation, something I can try. This previous resistance zone. Everything is holding, respecting the resistance means 50% chance it can give a breakout also, it can correct also. So which direction? If we are bullish, we have to wait for upside movement, and if we are bearish, placing a stop loss here, we have to try. These two are the choices we have. Meanwhile, let me see what S&P little S&P 500 has space to move. Maybe S&P 500 continuously moving towards the upside, right? You think about the same logic here. Continuously selling pressure is there. Now in case people are thinking, okay, market is given a breakout or it's closed at a range, then I feel maybe it can go up to maybe it can go up to this zone. After reaching this zone, it might correct. Okay, so people who took trade here or who entered at this breakout, they are kind of safe. They might think about booking profit here. Randomly, anyone who thinks about entering, they are the ones who's going to get trapped, is what I feel. So we'll wait for that. As of now, resistance market is respecting. Somewhat little confidence is low. Small candles can come red, the market can reverse. That issue I feel. So if I want to take trade also, I have to consider this as a scalping setup only in this market. Let's see, instead of BTC in Ethereum that is done. Sol. Everybody know this is the resistance. There will be 50% chance of success in this trade. A little more if it moves up, right? Later if it corrects, it will be better, is what I feel. We'll wait. Just as a reference, I'm mentioning I have not entered. And I asked how many of you entered the first trade with me, this Ethereum trade. Only 2-3 people said, what about others? You didn't enter, is it? Showing continuation. So showing continuation. Ethereum also continuation. Chance is 50% traders. It might give one more breakout and then correct. The chances there. So I have not yet entered. No sir, not entered. I did entered soul. Okay. Same bullish trade, is it? Market is bullish, then why bearish? Market is bullish, but we will see how S&P 500 reacts at this zone, and we will see how Nasdaq, maybe how it reacts. How it reacts near this zone. Maybe how Nasdaq reacts. From there, if there is any pressure, what we will do. How it reacts at this zone, we will see. How S&P 500 reacts at this zone, we will see. Then based on that, maybe we can decide. It is bullish. Okay, let this be for my reference point, but I am not entering this trade as of now. Dow Jones. This can go up. Here also pressure can come. So 4542. I mark this because ETH. Little more liquidity was there near 4540. So it can try to move up. That possibility is there. That's why there I did not enter bearish. Indecision is there. That indecision until it sustains. From here, how much point? Another 40 points. See. Anything here? 382 level. Crypto market, US market, as of now it's kind of in sync only, but this is indecision range is what I feel. From here, if I enter also 600 points, for 600 points, 1:2. We'll wait, traders. Once I get clarity, I'll let you know. Can we trade without leverage options, sir? You have the capital, you can do it. With leverage, you can take one bit more quantities. So that's up to you. This can spike, that can spike us. Indecision is there. Let it be. Let market from 618 level rejection. In case market sustains above little higher than this zone, at least as long as it doesn't sustain above the zone, we cannot take a random entry. It is a confusion definitely is there. So better we 618 level market is respecting right now. At bottom 382 level, that's fine. Fine, waiting is better is what I feel. This market, if it falls, US market, crypto market might have a bit of chance. Bit. Those of you watching the live stream, if you have not liked the live stream, support the channel traders by liking the live stream. Motivates me also. So is not given. BTC is near my resistance zone only. Respecting that, if it sustains above that, maybe I can look for bullish. That's why I'm quiet about that. Here, confusion is there. Maybe we can mark the recent upper zone and this lower zone. Which side market will break, we will see. If it breaks above this, then maybe I can see bullish. This is what I'm thinking. Provide alternate for joining the group. What are the alternate I can do, sir? What are the alternate we can do? So in BTC, this upper range I will mark. Another 10 minutes I'll wait and see. Okay, if I'm not getting any breakout above this zone, I will not take trade. So we'll leave it in case we don't get the setup that we need. Problem is this breakout would have removed stop loss of people who entered at these zones. Okay, and at the upper zone who's there, they are kind of safe. As long as market doesn't try to break the upper zone, they will not give up, they will just hold. So if they are having strength, they'll push the market down itself. So no need to take any trade at this zone. No, I mean bullish trade. If it moves up, then we can focus on bullish trade. That's my thought. So they're trying to hold. Movement is strong. And 600 points movement market has given here itself. Setup is there, but like I said, there is no high probability setup. Simply we have to calculate, take one trade, and either stop loss, small stop loss we have to give, or target, we will get bigger target. I mean, like scalping. That is the kind of situation. Why do that is what I'm feeling right now. Decent first trade. Okay, some decent profit we have made. Maybe we can hold on to it. The zone previously market broke. This can act as kind of support zone. We will see. Ethereum. No, 618. That will. Too much conviction setup is not there, traders. One reversal possibility might be there. That reversal might be somewhere when market, if this is moving up, right? So from here, when it corrects, until then we can wait. This is what I'm feeling, right? When this reaches here, when it is correcting, crypto can give one more spike. That's how it is looking for me right now. S&P 500, if it reaches the upper level, when it sellers might enter here, that time crypto market might move up. If it doesn't happen there, or near Nasdaq resistance level, if there any correction when it happens, crypto market might move up. That possibility is there. So what we will do, so BTC, okay, so just one candle, we will see how it behaves. It comes little lower here, any reversal also we will see. Bit more liquidity. Where is liquidity? Soul. Now if market moves up, there is a chance. Almost there. Four. Hey, what is this market not giving? Okay. So idea is long position, placing stop loss here, targeting the upper level. Okay, I'm placing the buy order. I've taken the entry. I'm putting the stop loss. was the stop loss, taken the entry, target days high. From there little more movement also can come, that we will see later. Okay, this is the setup I have taken. To the reduce SL so little bit here. Buffer. See, there is some chance of this breaking the high. If that happens, good. Nasdaq and all almost that zone, S&P 500. Nasdaq almost there. That upside move will, that upside volume will consider, sir. Which one? This one. I'm not gone based on volume. I've gone based on sentiment. Little bit movement can come is what I feel. Why it is taking so slow to reach the level, I don't know. Nasdaq. Little bit correction, quickly it should come. It's not giving that correction. Which minutes? This one is 1.5 minute. Fine for this. What is the risk? Risk is 57. Risk is 57. Fine, I'll leave it. Let market decide. This zone, if market goes below this zone, without thinking too much, I will exit. That's it. Slowly it is reaching. Hopefully 40 seconds this market sustains here. If it doesn't sustain, it's taking time. And this will take the SL. Have to wait for S&P 500 to touch that zone. It should touch this zone. It felt like it will touch soon and it will correct. This market forcefully once more. Should I enter? Market is near 618 level support. It's fine. If I calculate risk reward for this time, how market behaves near S&P 500 Nasdaq, how it behaves near the zone only. Based on that, I will look for entry. Little more. Did come. Is this a okay place to take entry? Yes, it is an okay place. But what to do? That spike and all those things will create the lowest point what possible we have. If we try, we might get opportunity. So in this case, just 350 points stop loss. If I capture, it is 1100 points. Huge, very good risk reward. So I have to take a calculative risk here. So my calculative risk says I want to enter now, but if it comes off little lower, I will get better entry. This will be the last trade I will be taking. We'll see how market behaves. Okay, other index, 1 second. No need to focus. Let me have focus on one thing at a time. Okay, Ethereum here. So fine, I'll place a buy order here. Now take the stop loss. Now if you consider yourself as a safe trader, wait for the candle to close. That's up to you. And for this trade target, I can try the higher level. So 90 points risk, reward is $90 risk, reward is around 216. So it looks like a decent risk reward. And this is the last trade. Okay, this one I was correcting a bit early. Let me see here. Where is it? Now, people who thinks about booking profit at the upper level, no, to trap the market can correct. So if US market is correcting, during that time crypto market can move up. That is the expectation. If we reduce the SL to reduce the SL to 190 points, I can do that. Safe traders, what you do, you get your stop loss here also if you want, little lower than this candle, if you want to reduce the risk. Okay. This I will put it in the group also. If anyone is interested, they can consider. ETH trade, ETH also, there is a chance of reversal. Don't look, see, there is a chance of reversal in ETH also. We have to the zone. This possibility is there. Risk is small, 11 points. Reward is big, 30 points. So if it happens, good. What to do with this? The drastic fall in US market is not coming. At least you see this has to come very quickly up to the zone. That time crypto chance of moving up is high. It's coming slowly. I'll off the screen, traders. Can we reduce the risk? How much more risk can I reduce? 350 points is the SL, 1170 points I'm trying to capture. So risk reward is good. See, all these trades that we take, it is kind of based on probability, right? The probability is in case market moves up, okay, there is always that 30% 40% chance that the setup might fail. But let's say out of 10 trades I take, if I get success rate, I'm saying probability is 70% at least. But in case it fails also, the next trade, even 5 trade out of 10 trades, if it is successful, where we are capturing 1:3 like the first trade that we did, right, that will help us recover all the losses. That kind of situation we will come across. So you should not be, once you find a setup, you should not be worrying too much about the losses what you make. You have to give importance to the probability also of how much you can make if market goes as per your direction. That is important. Ethereum final one level, it is Ethereum is near buying pressure area. Sol is near buying pressure area. BTC. Okay. Now if market moves up, it's come down. Now if it doesn't break the zone, right, and if it starts moving towards the upside, then we will get off the stop loss here. Okay, that's the plan. We'll see. Now we are at cost to cost only. Now what we will do, another 1 minute. Once this candle gives upper closing, we will reduce the stop loss. Okay. Kindly provide alternate to join crypto group. Okay. You open account in any of your family members' name and then complete one trade in that account and share the user ID. We will give you access. Okay, now this candle closing done. One important thing I have to see in other. So BTC, that's fine. Ethereum is at final buyer zone, so little bit pressure can come. Fine. Market doesn't sustain this, then maybe I will close. market and all goes off below the zone, right? If it goes off below the zone, then it will try to target people at the lower level. These people have shown their strength. They might have to re-enter here. Why they're not re-entering? Are they getting some more liquidity in the market? Something like that possibility is there. So if, as long as they are holding, we can also hold. If somewhere we see them giving up, then we also have to say okay, because we are not strong as these people who push the market up. When we notice okay they are trying to enter, that is when we entered the trade, right? In the first trade which we took. Here also we are expecting them to re-enter. If they re-enter, fine. If they don't re-enter, then no point in me holding this trade. One confirmation candle, solid green candle closing, if I get though it's chargeable, let me know. No, we don't want to charge anything for crypto community group members. This player is not showing strength. They're trying their best to hold on to this range, but why they are not? Two, 121, 900, 120, 21, 900. This zone also is there. This zone, if they enter, also possibility is there. Here they can enter, here they can enter. Let's see, traders. Okay, one Nasdaq has reached my level. If Nasdaq sentiment goes bearish, that time here upside move is what I'm expecting. We'll see what happens. Now what we will do from our end, we will reduce the SL. Okay, SL reduced or risk reduced. Now market, if it gives us 100 points risk, 1000 points minimum target. Okay, we can keep target here also, but I'm saying to that zone, if you want also we can try. Come on, US market correction. You know, 20. Can you guys please confirm that even you have reduced the risk to just 100 points? For ETH, if it goes below 4451, please consider exit. Target can be 4488. Come on. Buyers are not showing pressure. This one is behaving as per what I expected. This one almost it is correcting. This one though, why it is acting like this, I don't know. It's fine. This is acting as though reduce, so I'll keep it lower. If it's going down and all, too much risk I don't want to take. So here $33 risk, too much pressure is coming. ETH and all, too much buyers are not given up in ETH. In what is that? Sol one setup is pending. What setup we will see. Too much if market struggles within the same range, both the side movement is possible. Traders, buyers are not showing pressure. Okay. Mm-hmm. 1 minute more. Other index, they're showing pressure. From here I've got the stop loss up to this zone because too much I don't want to risk. If market comes lower, then again if this person is thinking of re-entering, one more attempt, for that I will keep this risk, okay, entirely first only instead of taking risk. Some risk here, some risk here later. It is not showing strength only. Please exit cost to cost. SL will definitely hit. So stop loss is very small. You can exit now if you want. That's up to you. I've just kept stop loss here. If it hits also, for me it's fine. Almost it's come there. Stop. Done. Here buyers are not showing pressure. Next setup maybe later I will see here. As of now I'm not going to take the trade. We will close this live stream, take some time, and then only if I want I will take the next entry. This buyers, I thought he will enter here, he did not enter. Again here he might enter. This is the last chance. If market breaks this also, then it's kind of going to be free fall up to this zone. This is too far. Up to this zone also it can come. So I'll take some time and then I will decide my next trade. Okay, as of now I'm not going to take one more trade. Let it come here, later I will see. Alright traders, any further update is there, I'll let you guys know. As of now I'll close the live stream. Small stop loss had given, I'm closing. First trade was good for us. Okay, take care, bye bye.